Montesol Foods is the industry leader in canned tropical goods in Guatemala and Central America, aligned with ISO 22000 processes, including good manufacturing practices, quality system, and critical control point cleaner production certificates. Our staff training is complete to a consistent, uniform standard, resulting in products that meet the highest standards in every market in the world. Montesol Foods grows and processes the heart of palm, or palmito, a delicious food offered by the rainforest. For 20 years, Montesol started a sustainable agricultural project with the Bactris palm. This is cultivated for the extraction of palm heart and has an environmental benefit, for the supply of organic matter to the soil is a natural fertilizer and continuing the lifespan of each plant for over 20 years. It also stabilizes the soil by preventing erosion by planting in the form of pruning. And it also benefits the local surrounding fauna and is a major carbon fixative to prevent the greenhouse effect. It is a man-made permanent plantation. When removing the centre of the palm, the leaves and the rest of the trunk floor are becoming a natural fertilizer to feed the plant itself and its environment. After being carefully packaged, hearts of palm are transported to Montesol facilities, and once they are in the processing plant, they are selected and organoleptically packaged to meet the requirement of the required quality protocols. It is noteworthy that Montesol Food Factory is a modern facility based on health standards of the US FDA and European Union specifications. By establishing a controlled procedure taste and the constituents of hearts of palm, this cooking process and the rest of the production steps are performed in stainless steel equipment in a completely aseptic environment, where even the air is filtered in a stable temperature. Subsequently, heart of palm is extracted and selected by our staff to enter the automated process of cutting through sanitary bands. Due to the delicacy of the product, selecting the product and filling the containers must be done manually. The packaging is done according to the colour characteristics and thickness of each palmito. The dimensions determined on digital scales in order to ensure the exact weight. But Montesol has diversified its production during the last decade and is now one of the largest pineapple processors in Central America, directly benefiting the whole pineapple growing industry that provides larger and better employment, generating development for this growing region. The pineapples are selected without the upper leaves and are classified by size. To be admissible, our staff evaluates the quality based on ripening characteristics, size, cutting time, and health and transport conditions, amongst many others. This ensures that the processed pineapple is within adequate quality parameters. The production of canned pineapple begins with the washing and disinfection. Before removing the skin, then the plant is automatically peeled, cored and sliced. The product enters sorting tables and is purified to obtain different classifications for packaging in containers, which are made to specific conditions for every kind of product. Containers filled with pineapple, either chunks or slices, are automatically filled with a compound of sugar syrup that enhances the natural flavour of the pineapple. The syrups are stored in stainless steel tanks, which maintain the correct temperature when filling the containers. The entire process in our pineapple production also meets the strictest quality standards for fruit and vegetable processing internationally, and our quality system is complete and sophisticated. The sealed container is made by automated equipment to ensure a tight seal and the generation of an adequate vacuum. After sealing, the containers are subjected to a thermal process carried out in horizontal sterilizers with a digital control system which records the guaranteed sterilization of all batches processed and ensures a long-lasting product taste and quality. In keeping with the ecological philosophy of the company, production processes and management are conducted under the provisions of ISO 14000, which certifies the environmental balance, continuous improvement and compliance with regulations in this regard. The remaining plants are recycled for use as fuel in boilers that provide the heat needed for the plant, thereby avoiding the consumption of petroleum. The ash is used as an agricultural fertilizer, and water used in the production is transported to treatment tanks, where after a process of filtration and purification, it is disposed of in soak pits to return to the water table without any pollution. Montesol is a family of foods that meet the quality characteristics for the most demanding markets. We also produce ethnic products and specialities such as Latino tamales, in sweet figs, green and white asparagus, prepared tomato sauces, and more than 20 other products. Our quality process allows us to package products for international brands, and our products have been exported to the most diverse areas of the world and are preferred by consumers in the United States of America, Mexico, El Salvador, the Dominican Republic, Brazil, France, Spain, Portugal and Kuwait. Eat healthy, taste the benefits of the earth and enjoy Montesol food products.